Hey guys, this is Wesley with Sewer Cuts Lawn Care Service. This is my very first YouTube video. On this channel, we talk all things lawn care.
So make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell down below.
All right, you heard it. We got our boxes in. And today, guys, I want to share with you my new RBG-950 Blade Sharpener. The angle cut blade sharpener. I finally got it in. I got tired of taking my blades to the local store here to get them sharpened for $12 a blade. I figured I'd save myself some money by ordering this RBG. I saw other folks on different YouTube channels demonstrating their like for this product. So what I'm gonna do is unbox this, and I'm gonna set it up, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys and show you how I'm gonna learn how to sharpen blades. All right, good people. Finally got my 950 RBG blade sharpener set up. I unboxed it, and I'm about to sharpen some blades for you guys. I'm overwhelmed with this. I'm ecstatic. I am very happy. I finally got this 950. I've been wanting to do this because I've been, for a couple of years now, taking my blades to have them sharpened at the local lawn care service facility. And it's quite expensive for me. So I'm looking to save money. So I went on and invested in this 950. And with you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and sharpen a set of blades, at least one anyway. I'm gonna show y'all how this thing works, and hopefully it doesn't work me. So come on over here. I got my brand new gold Ballard. Test these out. These are the new Ballard blades, the gold series. And we're gonna see how these work. I'm gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna take some. I'm gonna take some of the edge off because I like to for my blades to be fresh sharp. These are from the factory, of course. So I'm gonna sharpen these. Take a little bit of edge off, and let you guys put my safety gear on. I like this, by the way, guys. This is very protective for me. I would say this is very quiet. It's a quiet machine. I believe the sharpening of the blades is louder than the actual machine, so let's see how this works. Oh, nice. I like that. As you can see, it's got that 30-degree angle. It's got an angle grinder protector on here, or angle instrument. I don't know what that's called, but it's an angle grinder. And that's why I bought it, because I don't have to guess at the angle now with a hand grinder or yeah. Well, this is my first time using it. I like it. I don't have anything to compare it to, so there you go, guys. Yes, I got this all sharpened up. Now we're gonna go into the room right here where there's a balancer. I got the wall mount balancer here, guys. I really I want to see how this thing works. Oh yeah, got a nice little magnet to it. Just let that go and see if it moves. So you can see right here, it's a little heavy on this side right here. I'm just gonna try to balance out a little bit more. Follow me back out here, guys. Just gonna make about 2 passes with this. Yep. See how that works? Okay, it's still a little heavy on this right side. Let's see what happened on here. Yeah. Take one more pass at this. Perfect, guys. Look at that. Oh, it's moving just a little bit. A lot. Wait. Where you going? Where you going? Oh. Hold on. Still a little bit heavy right here. I'm gonna try one more time. This is my first time doing this, so try one more time. Guys, if it's not right this time, and then I have to try another time. Bingo. There you go. It's balanced. Perfect. There you have it, guys. Thank you. I'll see you guys soon.